It was a dark night. Everything in the jungle seemed mysterious. The moon was hidden behind the clouds, and its light was dim. A strange silence fell over the jungle. There was silence everywhere, as if time had stopped. The monkey was sitting in Auntie's treehouse, looking closely at the ring. There was curiosity in his eyes. The sapphire-like glow would sometimes dim, sometimes intensify, as if some power was awakening within it. The light of the ring made the whole room mysterious. Auntie said, "Son, this ring is no longer just a gift, it's a responsibility. The jungle is counting on you." At that moment, the eagle swooped down. Its wings flapped and dry leaves fell. I saw a shadow on the northern edge of the jungle. It wasn't an ordinary shadow. It could be the black wolf. The lion was startled. "The black wolf? The one who wanted to attack the jungle years ago? Is he back?" The monkey clenched the ring in his fist. There was fear and curiosity in his eyes, as if he knew this ring was no ordinary thing. Suddenly, a light spread, and a scene appeared before him. The light illuminated the jungle. The black wolf was standing in a dark cave, his eyes gleaming. With him were a venomous snake, sticking out its tongue, and a bloody bat spreading its wings. Greed was in their eyes, and cunning on their faces, and there was venom in their voices. They were all looking at the monkey. "The ring is an obstacle in our path, snatch it." Their intentions were dangerous. The monkey opened his eyes. His body was covered in sweat, but a new determination was shining in his eyes. "We have to prepare immediately. This isn't just a jungle story, it's a war between light and darkness." The lion, squirrel, rabbit, and eagle nodded. "We are with you." The next day, worrying changes began in the jungle. Trees began to wither, water began to dry up, birds disappeared, and animals became frightened. At that moment, the monkey placed his hand on the ring. A secret was revealed from within it. There's an ancient place in the jungle. Another hidden power is hidden there. If you find it, the ring will be complete, and you will become the true guardian. But that path wasn't easy. Deceit, trials, and darkness stood in its way. When all the friends were preparing to leave, the darkness of night had fallen over the jungle. There was silence everywhere, only the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds far away. The friends prepared their bags and made plans for the journey ahead. The monkey jumped from one tree branch to another. There was a strange swiftness in his movement, as if he was driven by a special purpose. But at that moment, an amazing thing happened. His jump was so powerful that he leaped across the entire jungle. All the friends were astonished to see this. There was a strange echo in the whisper of the wind, the leaves, and the silence of the night. The birds, all were left behind. They were all watching this scene in amazement. As he landed on the ground and jumped on his feet, his power became evident. He was so high that he reached the clouds. It was an incredible sight. Floating among the clouds, he saw a golden light shining in the sky, and a voice echoed, "The power is within you." This voice resonated in his heart. "But you have to learn the art of control." This was advice that was very important to him. Every power is also a trial. These words sank deep into his heart, and he resolved to use this power correctly. The monkey slowly returned to the ground, and as he reached his friends, everyone started looking at him in surprise. "Were you flying? Maybe it's time I found out myself what this ring really is." Now not only had an old enemy returned, but a new guardian had also awakened.